Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev Jha. Welcome to my YouTube channel Studentum. Today I will discuss about how to create a free developer org and a lightning app, and after that we have to set up a lead generation form which is wave to lead, and we can test whenever a lead is filled from the wave, and that lead comes into the Salesforce. So let's start from the beginning. First, we have to create the developer org. So these are the steps which we have to take. First, we have to copy this sign up link, open to the new tab, and paste over there. Fill some information like first name, last name, email, role, company name, etc. So I start from here. This is my email address which I use for creating this test org or free developer org. We can take any company name for testing purpose. We can select the zone or region, fill the pin code, and in the user section probably we have to take the username and the email address will be same, but I already created some accounts, so it will be not going, it it is not taking. If it's not taking, you have to do one thing: take your company name, @gmail.com, or you can put your first name. Click on I agree to and sign me up. It takes some time to sending a verification code to the Gmail account. So here this is sending the verification code to the provided Gmail account. We will check the Gmails. It take 1 to 2 minutes. So we have to discuss the other part. When our test org created, then we have to go to the next step like create a app. So we have to take these steps, and after that we have to create a wave to lead form, generate some codes from Salesforce org, and we will put there in the some websites. So first we check, is there any is there any verification code are coming or not. Wait for the time until we didn't receive it. As I said, it's take 1 to 2 minutes to get the verification. So we have to just reload the Gmail page. Yeah, so we receive this type of email verification from Salesforce whenever we put all the information. So now we have to check the username. So studentum.sanjeev@gmail.com, and we have to verify that account. So click on the verify, and put the password. Password will be 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number. Then you have to fill one security question. Anyone take in what city was your first job? So you can give anyone and change password. After the password setup, now you can see the full working mode of dev.org is created. So we want to check basic information like company information, which I have provided at the time of setup. So see, the company information is org name and the primary contact name, the address, and see there are lots of details. The user licenses, the permissions and license, feature license, user enable, lots of the functionality which we have see in the company information page. Okay, so let get move to the next topic, which is create an app. The name is Studentum, so we have to follow these steps. Go to the setup, quick find box, type app manager, new lightning app details, and other options. So we just find the app manager, click on the new lightning app, and here are some details, app details and branding details like app name. So my app name is Studentum. It's already take the developer name and the description. Okay, just give any description and put the branding image like anyone we can do. Click on next, and here we can we have an option of app navigation and factors like navigation style. What you choose, the console navigation or the standard navigation. So I choose the standard navigation for now. Support form factors, desktop and phone, and full setup. Click on the next. We can leave the utility section, but you have to also add like chatter feed, chatter publish, and other activity like tasks. So there are lots of things you have to put out there. But for now, I am not editing anything. Go to the next, and here is the navigation item we have to put over there, like the home, the lead, campaign, count, contact, report, and dashboard. These are the standard object which already created by Salesforce. We only use here. So whenever we have to go to the our app, we have to check some tabs, pre-created tabs. Now in the user profile, we have to select which user is going to access this. So I have a Salesforce I have a system admin access. So I will take this one, system administrator, and save and finish. So the app name Studentum, this one is created. So how we can go and check our app is created or not? Just simply click on this app manager, and we can type here and we can click on view all. And you can see these are your app name. You can also search here like this and click on select. Here you can see these are your the app and the tab which I have choose when the time of app creation. So the lead, the campaign, the account, the contact, and report and dashboard, so on. So our second criteria which I take this step, we have created app. Now our third criteria, set up a lead generation form where web to lead enrollment form. So what we do, go to the setup, find the type web to lead, create web to lead and web to lead, setup web to lead, generate code and paste. Okay. So first we have to go to the setup and find here web to lead. Web to lead. Okay, so web to lead. We have to create a web to lead. So we check first these are enabled and then now create web to lead form. So these are the pre-selected web to lead form. First name, last name, email, company, city, state, and you can also take these types of like the phone and the street, city, state and province, country, the lead source, so we can take these ones. And now here you can see after users submit the web to lead form, they will be taken to the specific return URL, your website such as thank you page. So now we have to create a blog page. This is for test only. Create a blog. Choose the user ID which you have not created earlier. ignore this email, ignore this message, just click on this and type here studentum.org. What email ID you have to choose? Studentum.org. Check the address availability and click on next. Display name, studentum, and finish. And here your live page, your blogger is open. Now you have to create the page, create a new page, and you can take this registration successful. Thank you for the registration. Thank you for the registration. Okay, you can enlarge it, you can measure heading, or you can want to in the center, or you can take any image here and we can publish it. Confirm, and here we can so this is the thank you page which is on live. You can check anywhere. So it's working. Now what we have to do, copy this link, click on this return URL, and this one we have to right now disable for this and generate code. And here the code is generated. You can copy this code and go to the blogger, create a new page. So you can create another page, new page, and type the title, enrollment form. If the HTML view, paste your code here. Now you can preview it or you can publish. So I just publish it, and now we can check this. So this is the form which we have created right now. Cool. If you want some responsive things happen in your form, you just click on enrollment form, copy this code, and use ChatGPT. make this form responsive, responsive, add CSS and form validation code are below, and you can paste it and enter. Stop it. So you just go back in your editor mode and paste there and update it and check your form is responsive or not. So check these forms are now look like this, and the validation is also cool. Now we can test lead 1, the email, studentum, the phone, and the company and street address. You can fill up anyone, the form of web, and the putting values. Here is a thank you page, and now we get back to our lead section, our website. We have to finish it. Open this leads. Go to the list view. And need to click the today's lead. So uh, here is the today lead. See, we can filter it because it's showing all the data.